welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm very casual. I'm not doing any makeup today because, as you've seen by the title, we are going to be talking about the brand new Jolie Beauty Ridiculash. Now, what is this, you might be asking? Why have you got it? And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I've got the website in front of me, and basically this is a lash growth serum. So this is brand new. Jolie Beauty sent it to me in PR. It's been out for over a month now, and I've been using it for a month. I took before pictures and after, and I must say I am very impressed. So when it comes to these products, I just find, I don't know, I feel like they're a bit gimmicky sometimes, and I just think like, do they work? Like, do they actually work? Do you get what I mean? I just think I've seen brands come up with like, you know, lash growth products before, like Lancome has one, and I think it's like £45 or something. And you just think, is it going to work? Because you don't want to be wasting your money. I have been on the market for a lash like serum just because I do wear false lashes, and usually when I wear false lashes I rip them out, and obviously because I'm using the glue, I just feel like they're really lackluster. I do get like falling lashes sometimes, and I just wanted something that, you know, was going to look after them and all that good stuff, and, you know, give me a bit of something and life back. Now obviously people are getting eyelash extensions nowadays, so obviously you want something that's going to help protect your lashes. Obviously when you are wearing eyelash extensions, they can like damage you, as well as your hair. If you're wearing hair extensions, no matter what extension it is, it's going to damage your hair at some point, whether that's bald patches or hair that's damaged or anything like that. So you want something that's going to protect them. So yeah, I was definitely on the market for something like this, but I've just never done any research into it that's going to show, you know, prove what it does and stuff. So yeah, I was excited to try it and also skeptical. So just on the Jolie website, it basically says, get the most ridiculous lashes of your life with the eyelash serum. So this promotes growth of your natural lashes, and it's rich in conditioning agents to help keep, you know, your lashes strong and like hydrated and all that good stuff. It says, say goodbye to brittle, weak eyelashes that continuously shed before reaching their full potential. So again, I was looking for something that was going to strengthen my lashes and, you know, give them a little bit of life back. And like I said, I did used to, you know, get a couple of like little shedding lashes, and it was just annoying, especially when you rub your eyes and they'll come out. So yeah, this is basically going to help hydrate your lashes, help make them grow and all that good stuff. And I must say, I was very skeptical. I was very skeptical. I can't talk. I was very skeptical, but this works, guys. It really, truly, honestly works. So before we get into the before and after pictures, I just want to talk about the ingredients. So the ingredients that are in this is water, hyaluronic acid, biotin, tripeptide. So it's got quite a few tripeptides in this, and also biotins. I think it's got like two or something. I don't know. I'm not that sciencey, but yeah, it's got some good ingredients in this. So back in my hairdressing days, I use these when I'm using, like, you know, when I wanted to grow my hair out. So this is basically Waterman's shampoo and conditioner. And the reason why I'm talking about these first is because these are amazing. Now this is for your hair, which really works. So basically the ingredients in this, it's got more ingredients than the lash, because obviously the lashes is for your lashes and this is for your hair. But basically the main thing in this is the biotin. So that's what's going to really help grow your hair. But yeah, if you want your hair to grow on your head, this is amazing. One thing that I love about like this brand, and the reason why it's amazing and it works, is they actually donated some of these shampoo and conditioners to I think it was a hospital or something, to people that were going through chemo, which is very like close to my heart, and it's like a bit obviously sad, because when you go through chemo you do lose your hair. But yeah, they actually donated a lot of these products to people that were going through chemo. So obviously it just helped with those people going through what they was going through, feel like could get the hair back and, you know, feel like themselves again, because it is hard going through that. Yeah, so I just really love that they did that, and it just shows that the product really does work. So yeah, that's how I know of, you know, hair growth. So yeah, this actually has biotin in that, so that's what's going to help your lashes grow, as well as the tripeptides. That's really going to help hydrate and give your lashes that life, that shine, so it has really got good ingredients in this. Okay, so I'll show you the before pictures here somewhere. So these are my before pictures. This is what my lashes looked like. There was very like lackluster, there wasn't much shine to them. I know that sounds weird, why do you want your lashes to have shine to them, but I like them to look healthy, you know. So yeah, there was very lackluster, there wasn't very thick. I usually have really nice thick lashes, and there wasn't it. There was very dull, because obviously I wear like these kind of lashes, the glue can rip them out, so I just wanted something that was going to, you know, really do something. So I've been using this day and night. So I've been putting it in the morning and using it on a night. Now I've got to be honest with you, I forget everything. So there have been times where I've forgot to use this. So, you know, I might not use this for a day because I've totally forgot, or there was times as well where I didn't use it for 2 days but then remembered and went back to it. And I must say that I saw results after 2 weeks. Now on the website it does say that you will see results after 4 weeks, but literally I started seeing results after 2 whole weeks. Ignore my disgusting face, but this is what my lashes look like now. I hope you can see them. But yeah, that's what they look like now. I'm really, really happy with my lashes at the minute. But yeah, like I said, I am really impressed with this. So I'll show you the before and afters somewhere now, just so you can see that this really works. These pictures were taken at the 2 week mark, and I actually sent a message to Jolie basically saying, can't believe it. I basically said to her, I was a little bit skeptical because, you know, do these things actually work? But this actually full on works. I've actually got the photo on my phone now, but you can literally see how they look more thicker, they definitely look more hydrated, and they also look longer, which is amazing. I like as well that they look kind of fanned out at the edges, which looks good. The reason why I started noticing is because obviously I do clean my lashes and stuff after I wear fake lashes, but I could just feel my lash, and I kept feeling it, and I just thought to myself, did it feel longer? And they felt stronger as well, which I know sounds super weird, but after the 2 week mark, I just couldn't stop playing with them and flicking them like that, which I know sounds real weird, but I could really notice. So I decided to basically just take a picture and compare, and I was literally just blown away by how much difference there was. I got my mum to see if there was any difference and she could see it. I got my friend to actually see if she could see a difference, and she said they definitely look thicker and longer. So the applicator on this, guys, is really, really good. It's quite like a watery consistency, but the way I use it is I just go right along the lash line. Keep your eyes closed so it doesn't, you know, go in there. But yeah, right along the lash line. I've been using it on the bottom lashes as well. And I've also been putting it through my brow just to help these sparse areas grow. But yeah, this is fully fledged. I absolutely love this stuff. And the reviews on the Jolie website are all coming in, and they're all past the 2 week mark as well, which is amazing. So this retails for $26.99, which I think is such an amazing price, especially when say brands like Lancome are £45. But this also does a subscribe and save, so you get 20% off when you subscribe and save, and it'll go down to £21.59, and they'll send it out whenever you need it basically. You can use my discount code on this as well, which is ASHMAN at checkout. So instead of $26.99 you will save some money. I love this stuff. You can see the results, and I go on about this anymore. I am in love and I just love that it's actually made a difference. So yeah guys, if you are looking for a lash serum that actually works, that you want longer lashes and you want, like, you know, amazing results, I highly recommend this. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. Can you see the results? Because I definitely can. And yeah, let me know. So as always, thank you for watching this video guys, and I will see you in my next one.